Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Supreme, the black backpack. This one was dropped on February 22nd, 2018. So unfortunately, it took that long to get the product. I don't know why. So this is the 1050D Cordura ripstop nylon. Main and front zipper compartment with the internal zipper pocket, top zipper compartment with the key clip, mesh side compartment, Jaguar logo, webbing across top, 24L. This one is 158 bucks plus $10 shipping plus tax. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Hopefully come with the sticker decals and everything. So as you can see, there's a strip right here in the middle. It's kind of ripped already. Lucky it didn't rip all the way. So I'm just gonna pull that strip and then open it up. So it's kind of big. Hopefully there's no invoice in there. So as you can see, it comes with the Supreme shopping bag, and then you got the front and back. There's a red box logo on there. Come with the one of the red box logo sticker. And you know this is original because of the barcode and then the description. Come with this gel so it can stay dry. With the red box logo tab or tag. You gotta make sure you get the original one because there are a whole bunch of imitation out there or replica. This is the original product. And you got the Cordura brand fabric label right there. And you have this Supreme. It's a buckle for your, I don't know, what is that? Big bottle of the water. There's a mesh right here for your water bottle. Or maybe you could hold like a, I don't know, what's that? Umbrella. So you got Supreme, Supreme, Supreme. On the top, this is handle. Another strap right here. With the buckle, quick release. Durable, versatile, and reliable. And you got the Supreme box logo right there in the front, lower section. And this is the bottom part. So the back is padded. So are the strap right here. These are padded, pretty thick. Let's go ahead and then check out what's inside. And this is what it looks like for the zipper with the pull tab or pull string. I don't know, I don't like the zipper when they have this flap that has close up. It's kind of hard to open. I'm not sure why I'm having difficulty to open this. Gonna take out the buckle so I can unzip it all the way. So there's your compartment right here. I don't know if you put like a PC or your tablets in here. It seems that there's a pocket right here as well. Oh yeah, it is. So it's toward the back. There's a small pocket right here, rectangular. And then toward the front, you got this zipper. I don't know, for your cell phone or your small tablets here, or your Apple Mini. Then there's a slot here and 3 additional slots right here for pen. And then in the next section there's another slot right here. Oh, there's another zipper right here in the front. What? I'm trying to show you guys if you guys could see there's another inner zipper that's inside there. It's hidden. So maybe you can hide your money in there or something. So it's like a mesh like. You see the fabric for the inner pocket. So even though if you hide your money in there, people could still see it because of the mesh material. And then this is the pocket that was hitting on the back. Why am I struggling to unzip it? Oh my god, what the? I can't believe it, this is Supreme. It's so hard to unzip. Oh, there's your clip right here for your key. And this is plastic. Okay. Well, hopefully you guys like this video, and then give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet, and then turn on the bell for notification. Please share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any other comments below. And thank you for watching, and drop any other comments on below. Be sure to drop a positive one, okay guys? Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out guys.